Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Fun with Family. Today we are here with another exciting activity. So if you have small kids, this activity is perfect for them. And what we've done is we've ordered a DIY, do-it-yourself kit, and we are going to make an aeroplane. So let's get started. Before we get started, let me show you some of the items which we have received in the DIY kit. And a big hi to everybody who's part of the team who's going to prepare. Hi!
Hi!
We've received all this with us. This is going to be our end product, the two-winged aeroplane. The wings are right here. We have received some of the other items like ply, a couple of motors, a battery holder, 4 wheels for the aeroplane. Put the other one. So the first thing we are doing is actually making the wings, and you see my kid is about to fit that, both the motors. So as you have seen that the motor is ready, we have that ready. Now we've also created the body of the aeroplane. What Aryan's going to do is he's going to fit the wheels with the rod. So Aryan, can you put the big one here please? Yes, inside this. Yes, put it inside. Yes, very good. Put the other one, please. Very good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit the other ring, which is a bit difficult for him to do. Okay. And give me the other ring. Thank you. So you see you have the other ring which is going inside this. Right here. And now Aryan, can you put this wheel inside this please? Yeah, can you put the wheel here inside this? Very good. Press it. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now put the other one please. Yeah, put the wheel here please. Yeah. Okay. That's good. So you have both the wheels here. Now can you put the small wheel here please?
With the far one?
Yes please. You put it here. Okay. Okay. No, you're pressing it too hard. Okay, give me the other wheel. Okay, can you push it here? Okay.
The plane body is ready.
Yay! Okay, so now we are fitting the aeroplane and the wings together. So Aryan is helping us press this. Okay, very good, very good.
The battery video wire is ready.
So now we will fit this over here. So Aryan, can you push it here?
Yeah.
Come on, push it. Push. Yes. Okay, so you see it is fitted now.
Yeah.
And now we need to connect the wires to the...
Tapu.
Very good.
We are fitting the wings on the plane, and Aryan is going to help me with that. Can you put it? Very nice. Here as well.
I can write it.
Okay. Very good.
Why is the plane not working?
That's a very good question. Let's try it out. So when you put this here, you see both the wings are working. Okay, but this plane, this fan is giving wind this side, and this fan is giving wind on back side. So we need to change the wiring of this, okay?
Aeroplane working.
Can you put it down and show it to me? Put it straight. So friends, hope you have enjoyed this activity. It was so much fun to look at my son seeing that plane in action. So that is something which you want to give to your children as well. If you want to know where we have purchased this, we will put the link of that in the description, so you can also buy such similar kits. We've actually purchased it from Lazada. And if you want to look at some other activities like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel so that you don't miss out on any of these. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Adios.